film, who no one go watch that film? You know the cinema, this one day DVD. Go and ask your DVD vendor. Maybe they market now.
Yes, they market now.
Go and ask your
Polo
DVD.
Concept. Now Polo Concept they distribute.
Now this woman writer.
Now me write am, but now she produce am. Now
you see they confuse
so we dey do am.
So we na fellow poet.
Please excuse me.
We go see after the show now. I can sell a box full of letters for you.
No
you
problem. No problem.
Spoken words. You turn it.
No
into
problem. You can't tell if I write movies too.
We can do trade by back.
Welcome to my show. We talk to the Yin and Yang twins, and then we talk to Sheyi, the spoken word poetry somebody where they inside studio. Maybe we talk to our sweet-looking tomato juice twins where they inside studio. We go to open phone lines. Waiting, una they expect from Unknown Caller. This na the film where they premiere Sunday.
Yes. And
why una decide to open them for cinema? As for this one, this Fashion Police just go straight to DVD now.
Yes. We get plenty obonge expectation from Unknown Caller because na something where they different from everything when Nollywood done they do.
Okay.
Now obonga
big sister talk. If you want to enter your native language, feel free to express yourself.
So now because nothing don't be like this one before, that's why we come here say make we can't tell everybody. Say make them can't go cinema, can't go watch this.
And then as when I don't do comedy drama, when they laugh for Fashion Police,
we
so now
can't
do different something.
Make we can't take Ojuju. Can't catch you now for this Unknown Caller.
So now sure say now go blow with Unknown Caller.
Yes, now we don't blow already now.
Wait, make I take una back. Waiting be the reason how una take first enter this industry. The first waiting make una just decide say, come on, may we produce something.
Tracy, they call me talk. You know she say, oh yeah, talk. Over to you. How we can't enter Nollywood? I always like to give credit to the governor. That is our director, Lancelot Oduwa-Maswe. He was the one. We actually came for a modeling shoot. In Hotel Presidential. When he comes here, say, who be those? He said, those two little monkeys. Because then we were so little. So you can't say make them go call and go bring them now. Then go ask you carry and no be children for this film.
You know, say if you look this our screen, it be like say we divide una. Say it's not the same person.
But one lip, this lip,
but the lipstick is different.
My own red.
So okay, so treasure lips red.
So they can't call us now, so we can't do them. Everybody clap. Say, so the thing there is like that. So before you know it, so now so we can't begin enter well. We can't go for training, go train more because they don't say we good for this thing. So now so we can't reach here today.
So how many films I don't do?
Come produce film to join inside them.
It don't pass 50.
One I don't produce.
I no go count.
The one where we don't
produce now 5.
Okay.
But the one where we don't act, as in other people own where we follow art, about 50.
About 50 or more.
Safe.
So, but the thing be say, you feel no go they hear about them so much. Most of the film where we dey inside, where you they hear about, like that Divine Twins. Now our first production where now we put money, produce them, now it make it come success very well. Everybody they say Divine Twins, even till today. Now Divine Twins they call us. Even African Magic always play. I'm even reach today. That movie don't pass.
Now since 2005 now we produce that.
But African Magic still repeat
because now good,
very good. Yes. So if you count Divine Twins, count Love and Cash, count Beloved Twins. Fashion
Beloved Twins na part 2 of Divine Twins.
Yes, na sequel. Because people too
they intelligent.
You say
you need to intelligent too. People they demand that Divine Twins. They demand and like say no, they certify them. So we can't say
sequel make it follow.
And they really enjoy and Beloved Twins. That one they CD, they VCD now, they DVD and they YouTube, they market. So. Then the fifth one now this Unknown Caller. And all this time where we don't they do this film, where even the one where they produce by ourselves, we never ever go TV house or go radio or go newspaper say come watch Fashion Police. So come watch. We never do.
The thing just they sell the own market by itself.
Yes, but this one, it gave reason where make us come out. Can't say no. This one. now I say make them come see them on Sunday by themselves.
Okay.
You go pay just small money.
Chicken money, 1.5.
1.5 for
something
regular.
where you supposed to go, you know, something you used to dash somebody to buy the scratch
to
card.
buy scratch card.
That's just
make
1.5.
you come see them by yourself. Say this is why twins. Say this one we must go out and tell people watch out for this one.
Sunday 4 p.m. or say Fabet Galleria.
Red carpet,
red carpet go start 4 p.m. But you go open the cinema hall.
Go and wear your friend clothes.
By 6 p.m. Everybody go inside, go sit down.
They fit buy their ticket that day.
Now you get the ogbonge oga people where they come reserve one side for. That means if they cross, then go block them.
Wait, who are
Why
you call them? They put money inside the film.
Then go put. So those people, yes, some of them.
Okay, now future putting.
Future pit.
Hey, take 5.
Correct. Business woman, they here.
That's it now.
So those ones, if you want join them, sit down there. You feel give us 5,000. Then go open them for you.
Only.
Treat you well. Give you champagne. Give you champagne.
Easy, go enter like that. They bounce.
You go just cross your leg like this. They
No,
not only 5,000.
Just call 5,000.
Then go treat you well. You go relax with your wife. They watch TV. So.
So models go come they pour champagne for you.
For them, they go they drink.
They watch.
We want
For
spoil
only
people.
5,000.
Only 5,000.
You know, say
You go think say you there for cabin, first class cabin. They go Dubai.
It's okay, it's okay. Oh yeah, we go begin open our telephone line if you want to talk to Sheyi on the one side, on the right hand side of the ring, and then you talk to the twins on the left hand side of the ring. So, you know, then anything you want to talk about, you can feel free to tell them you are mine. If you go there. Sheyi also get what they do on the 30th of July.
Yeah.
So you self come, everybody they sell market, we they sell market. So what if we self go sell, give people on our own? Me and easy the day go come when we go sit down. Say we self they do show, me they do easy bit go do show. Come all 4 p.m.
How much?
It's true. Tell us about your event for end of no, but this month, end of this month.
30th of this of July.
Okay, now event now you organize the event.
Yeah. With the support of Bethel Sanctuary, my church.
Okay.
Yeah, Lagos Province 10.
Now white garment.
No,
Okay.
now redeem.
No, now the name.
Now redeem.
Bethel.
RCCG.
Okay.
So they see me say, how we do go take support this boy? Now they send me they put this program together.
That's
so
good.
yeah. So the program is just about we are unveiling. I'm unveiling.
So you go there because of you dey go that church because of this kind
No,
of
I've been to the church. I've been in the church since 10
No, you know,
years.
so sometimes, you know.
No, I've been there for about 9-10 years now.
Okay, but it be like say you get this vision that time when you go.
No, I never even start.
Okay.
Spoken word poetry where I start now, just 1 year old. I started June 28, 2015.
Okay.
So last month, June 28, I celebrated 1 year
There.
of purpose fulfillment, of purpose finding.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So they can't decide to support you.
Yeah.
Then give you money or nah yours.
With a lot. Even for my album launch,
How much they give you?
we go talk that one later. Make them know here. Make Chapman know here everything we
you go
talk.
give us our
You give us a cut now. If you there, you go.
So they can't put this show together for my brother. You are a big somebody on chop knuckles. That is a hey. So only you like this, you go
So
do.
chop Katim knuckle. That means na 1 million she go give me.
My brother. Never know. The grass is always greener when you look through your rose-colored glasses. Anyway, so your events now.
I want to unveil teenagers and toddlers where they teach this spoken word poetry. Because I know one way they say if I die, the thing will just die.
Like show.
Yeah, so I go unveil them. We have 12 years old, 10 years old who can do spoken word poetry, even better than Sheyi Shalom.
Una go enter drama with them or just spoken
Just spoken word poetry. Then we have a legendary guitarist coming, Pastor Tawel Shaddai. The man plays like a youth and he's over 60. Wow. So he's coming. I just called him. He said, I'm coming, don't worry. He said he's coming. So he's a wonderful father too. So we have, then the team is...
somebody there will line. I bet, no verse.
Okay.
Is somebody knocking on our door?
Hello.
Hello. We are selling market. So which one are you buying?
Now, wow, I don't miss you now. Wait till they start and come out now for line.
We
now.
don't come back. Leave. Now they will walk. Oh. We are back. Now soft
Now, I
walk.
don't miss you now. When they do now.
Yes. In no day.
Easy bit, don't fast now. No be small.
That life.
Just you can't find.
So you know fine before?
That's all
You can't
talk.
find again. You can't find again. Now, well done. No.
Anita, I'm telling you so much. How now? How things?
Fine, I will not agree with chance that times again. I tell them, if they don't put on, no go, I'll go change.
Don't mind them, we don't date them now. We don't stand gidigba.
All right, now no, while I bet me holla those twins, so tell we women we get twins for our family. Let me holla them.
Oh yeah, they hear you.
All right, now no wahala.
Thank you.
Let me holla that my brother when they go redeem or I redeem.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you, Anita. These are our people when we know from far. That time. Okay. We know they forget those kind of people now. Now them be with foundation.
And they don't forget us too.
No, we don't used to joke with them at all.
Yeah.
That is it, rain or shine, then go tune into night show with all of us when they. Okay, so that Baba they come.
Yeah, then we have spoken word gospel spoken word poets from around Nigeria.
Okay.
We have from Jos, from Abia, they are coming. We have the king, one of the pioneer poets.
And everybody they do something
yes,
different.
Even Olulu is coming. He's one of the pioneer poets in Nigeria.
Okay.
We have El Fancy, Solar Speaks, Chidinma, Amakasin. We have
all of them to come talk
they are
this
coming.
spoken something.
Yeah, Toby Tone, they are all coming to support me.
This is a movement. This is a movement.
We
Now,
say,
so
let's start from somewhere.
Support na good, and then maybe hopefully by God's grace, that's what you're going to do every year.
So the name of the school,
Yes,
I'm launching Shea Shalom Club for those children, and for every parent that would want their children. You know, some children can write, but they don't see anybody to push them. So let those parents, when they notice them, may they push them, may they support them, may they come Shea Shalom Club. May we teach them how to do this thing very well.
Okay, so where this thing they happen?
It happened for number 6 Oshota Street
Shorter.
for Amadia Ijayojokoro, yeah, off Abule Egba Road.
Okay, what time?
3 p.m. to 6 p.m.
That 30 na Sunday or Saturday?
That's Saturday.
Okay, Saturday. So everything will do okay. So if person want follow you for more information and onto this kind of thing, Twitter, you did Instagram.
They say make I join, so myself can't join.
Now, how you not go join?
And I say make I join small, make I see how the thing they go. For my Instagram, Shei Shalom.
Shei Shalom.
No other one, any other one is a counterfeit. SEYI, yeah.
Shei
at
Shalom.
Shei Shalom. At for Twitter, at I am Shei Shalom.
I am Shei Shalom.
Then for Facebook, Shei Shalom 2015.
Shalom.
Yeah, so
you know, so we don't even ask una and Monday when una come. Una social media handle, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook.
Yes, so Instagram.
Yes. Yes.
We are one of
people
the
get in
ladies
here.
on Instagram.
Get in here.
Okay, so Tracy Daniels on Instagram. Just spell Tracy and end the Daniels with a Z.
Okay.
The same thing with Treasure Daniels. Thank
Daniels
you.
with the same
That's
Z.
my dad, yeah, but you just end it with Z. Treasure Daniels. Then when you come to our team, because we are twins and we combined, we come under one umbrella, join together, so that anybody will like me, will like my sister, then fit come there, see our activity together. That one we can't call Team Tracy Treasure. So when you want to write that team, after writing team, you put underscore. Tracy underscore Treasure. So admin there where they administer to everybody, all your question, detail, direction, anything where you need, just fire the person. Now it work with that. And me, they come sometimes, answer some people personally, reply, even Tracy. So
people that always say they want art, just come write us for that team.
Yes.
Drop your number, drop your name, drop your picture. From there, we feel connect you to Nollywood, you begin the art.
Una be one of those people when they find established actors already, or una they open to the find raw talents or new faces. Because sometimes they say new faces know they quick sell market.
Yeah. It depends as you use them. And it depends as you take, you fit bring somebody way good, well, and support them with other people who don't date there before. Even me, they prefer to find somebody, new person, way good, well. Because if you watch the film, you go think say na real. But if you can't see somebody where you don't see every day for film,
be like normal.
If you see say die, you not go even cry because you know say na actor that person be. But if you can't find one new person with quality where sabi act, carry and do that thing. If people they watch and then go think say na real because they know sabi this person too well.
Okay,
so my philosophy.
Quick before we come out from studio. Who be that actor where una for like work with? Where una never?
Don't push.
I don't know. Hi, and I want to ask you, sis, who is the actor,
Na
actress?
Richard Murphy, Omotala.
Okay,
To enjoy more of these our ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love am.